Okay, I'm going to make something for my friend Asha, who's Indian, and I want to do this with RST Wood on something like this for her kitchen. And I want it to be spices, something pretty and colorful. But before I even select an image, I'm going into Tools, Size, larger than 4 megapixels, because that's going to give us, oh, I love this, the clearest image that we have. Look, that's beautiful. So let's save this to our desktop. Let's see where, oh, here it is up here. We're going to open it, the file, and we're going to go, it takes us into preview. We're going to go into File, Print, and this already says Hide Details, but you want to make sure that if it doesn't say that, you want to do Show Details. Okay, make sure that the Oki Data Printer 332 is already highlighted. The A4 paper size. I want this to fill the whole page, so we're going to fill entire paper here. Oh, this could be cool. Then we're going to go into Preview, Paper Feed. We want that multi-purpose tray. Back into Paper Feed. Let's go to Print Options, into Feed from Print Options. And our media type is labels, because our transfer paper is a little bit heavier like labels would be. And the other thing we want is to mirror image. So let's go back into Print Options under Layouts, and this says Flip Horizontally. So we're going to flip it horizontally. Oh, this will be pretty. And then we're going to print. Here's our paper. This is our RST Wood paper. We're going to load up watermarks down. Make sure it's gripped by closing that blue button, pressing Online. So now we're going to spray with water until the paper comes completely loose. Oh, how pretty is that? Oh, I think Asha's gonna love it. To watch more of our tutorial videos, please just visit our YouTube channel. Thanks, everyone.